let me start with one question. If India already has advanced flood forecasting, why do people still suffer and die during floods? We already have CWC river data, IMDb rainfall data, and advanced forecasting systems. But telling a farmer the river is at 48.10 meters and rising doesn't tell him what to do. What he actually needs is water may reach your village in 7 hours, your road will close in 5 hours, move to Ramanagar school now. This is the gap we identified. India doesn't have a prediction problem, it has a forecast to action gap. And we come up with our solution, Baadh Mitra, the flood friend. Let's talk about our solution. Baadh Mitra is a last mile flood warning and rescue coordination system. It solves five major problems. First, forecast to action. We convert complex CWC and IMD data into simple village level instructions. Second, last mile communication. We deliver warnings through voice and IVR in local languages, even to people without smartphones or internet. Third, personalized evacuation. Instructions change based on household, elderly people, children, pregnant women, persons with disabilities, or livestock. Fourth, real time SOS. Villagers press 1 to identify they are safe, or 2 for needing help. And finally, closed loop disaster management. We track the complete journey with the process, alert, response, rescue, outcome. Now, let me show you. Here is our dashboard of Bar Mitra. This is our disaster management dashboard for Muzaffarpur. Now we have several village areas. Now let's see. Here we can see a river level, rainfall risk zones, shelters and available rescue teams. Now I'll select Kachi Basti Tola. Bar Mitra immediately tell us the water arrival time, expected depth, road closure, and nearest relief camp, Ramnagar Middle School. And here's the key technical point. AI does not generate deceptive critical numbers. Depth comes from river level and elevation. Arrival time comes from rate of rise. Road closure comes from predefined thresholds. AI never touches the numbers, it only converts verified information into understandable language. Now let's talk about the Telegram alerts that I have added over here. Let's say if I want to send an alert, I click on Telegram. Now, the Telegram alert has been sent. Now, let's open Telegram and check over here. Here it asks us to choose our status. I can say I am safe, or let's see I need help. When I click on I need help, the NDRF team will be identified and they will reach to the rescue area, Kachi Basti Tola. And we have also added the voice alerts so that when an farmer is trying to get the alerts, he can get it via browser.
नमस्ते। यह बाढ़ मित्र की जरूरी सूचना है। यह बहुत गंभीर बाढ़
Use
चेतावनी
this
है।
to identify
कच्ची
and
बस्ती
let
टोला
the
में लगभग 7 घंटे
villagers
में बाढ़ का पानी
know
पहुंच सकता है।
that they have
अनुमानित पानी की
been
गहराई
identified
लगभग
that the
1.5
flood
मीटर
is
हो
about
सकती है।
to reach their area and they
पुराना
should
पुल
reach
रोड
the
लगभग 5 घंटे
nearest
में
relief
बंद
camp.
हो सकता है।
With this, I
कृपया
would like
रामनगर मिडिल स्कूल राहत
to
स्थान
close
पर
this.
जाने की तैयारी करें। यह लगभग 1.4 किलोमीटर दूर है। जरूरी कागज, मोबाइल, पीने का पानी, सूखा खाना और दवाइयाँ साथ रखिए। अगर आप सुरक्षित हैं, तो एक दबाइए। अगर आपको मदद चाहिए तो दो दबाइए।
So this is our browser voice demo playing. So this was a little demo to show our solution for this. Now let's move on to why is it different. So what makes Baadh Mitra different? We don't replace existing forecasting, we translate it into action. We solve the last mile communication problem through voice first alerts. 3. We personalize evacuation according to household vulnerabilities. 4. We turn a one-way warning system into two-way SOS and rescue system. Lastly, we give authorities real-time ground information through the complete alert to rescue loop. Baadh Mitra connects the forecast, the citizen, and the rescue team. Let's talk about the technology that we used over here. Our prototype uses Fast API plus SQLite for the backend, Telegram for interactive SOS, Twilio Voice IVR for featured phone communication, and real-time dashboard for monitoring. For production, we can integrate CWC and IMD for official data, Pashini for multiple Indian languages, Sachet slash CAP for emergency broadcasting, and Bhuvam or Car2DM for elevation. Our architecture is deliberately simple, where lives are at stake, and intelligent, where personalization is needed. Feasibility and scalability is required over here. So we decided the system requires no expensive hardware in villages. People already have phones, networks, and local community infrastructure, and it is designed for scalability. New district, change the data. New language, change the configuration. New hazard, change the input fit. The same architecture can support floods, cyclones, heat waves, and droughts. So Bar Mitra is not just a flood app, it is a climate action translation layer. So, with this, I'll leave you. India's forecasts are world class, but a forecast that a farmer cannot understand in a language they cannot read on a device they don't own is not a warning, it's a noise. Bar Mitra turns that noise into action. Forecast, understand, respond, rescue, learn. We don't replace India's existing disaster infrastructure, we complete it. India doesn't have a forecasting problem, India has a last mile problem. And Bar Mitra closes that last mile. Thank you.